What's up, guys? It is Sunday. We're back at it again. We are out on 211th Avenue on Bell Road to do some trail riding. This is one of our favorite places, as you can see in the past videos. We love coming to this place. There's a whole bunch of different things to do, like we always say: jumps, trail riding, single track. It's just a blast out here. So if you're ever in the area and you want to go somewhere new, go to 211th Avenue and Bell Road on the right-hand side. It's fun as heck. So yeah, we're gonna do some trail riding. Let's hit the trails, dude. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, we're out. That's okay. Here we go. Whoa, now. That was awesome. We just got back, probably about an hour ride. Went throughout the desert, explored some new areas, got lost. Not my fault. It was that guy's fault over there. They got us lost. But yeah, it was fun. But we're gonna fart around over here. There's some tracks over here, some jumps and stuff like that. So hit those before we head out. But look at this guy. This guy was going, well, almost full throttle, and it was dusty. He didn't see what was in front of him, and all of a sudden here comes this big mud puddle, and he goes dead center in it. It was awesome. Look at your face, dude.
I
It was good times, huh?
Yeah, I almost went over my handlebars. My front tire was sunk into the mud.
I thought you were going down. I thought you were gonna biff it.
Nope, I freaking.
You saved it though.
Somehow I got out of it.
Yeah, that was awesome. So yeah, a little bit more riding, then we're gonna head out. And then we're gonna go over to Brent's house. We're gonna have a barbecue. We're gonna cook some tri-tip, flank steak, some side dishes, and we're finally gonna adjust our bikes to my fat weight and my height and his height. So hopefully they'll perform a lot better once we do this with the help of Brent. So thank you, Brent. Who fell?
Me?
You alright?
Yeah. Hurt my foot.
You what?
Huh?
Did you? Where'd you fall at?
He jumped off that and I landed over here.
How the fast was you going?
Had to be going pretty quick.
What the heck did you do? Huh? Oh, you hit that?
It's right here, yeah. I went up it.
Huh?
My body wasn't on the bike.
So you were Superman in it?
Yeah, I Supermaned it and I fell back on my fender.
Uh-huh.
I hit the fender and the bike hit right here.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, just shook you up a little bit?
Oh, I landed on my butt.
Are you alright? Are you done or you want to keep on going?
I'm done.
You're done?
Yeah, my butt.
Alright. Yeah. It was bent yesterday. I fixed it.
These moved a little.
What did?
There's rubber in here.
Uh-huh.
You gotta loosen them and see the whole thing's this way.
Yeah. Another project. He's going to take it back right now. Oh, yeah. He went down hard, didn't he?
Yeah.
Look at all that. He said he's Superman.
Yeah.
Ugh.
Did you see me go? I didn't see you. Oh, okay, because I did the same thing.
What happened?
I thought you saw me.
I was going up it slow, and I gassed it a little bit a little too much, and I came up and I was like this. I landed. My body was off the bike,
Yeah,
and I landed right here, and the bike hit the ground, and that's when I throttled it even more when it hit the ground. So that's why the bike flew all the way over here.
Oh, it just kept on going, huh?
Oh, my bike flew. As soon as I landed, I hit the throttle because I was like,
Wow.
and I just landed straight on my butt.
Like
My
the
butt
same
hurts
thing.
really bad. My wrists hurt.
So your bike landed right here from all the way over there.
Yeah.
Dang. This is where you should have the GoPro on.
Yeah.
2 times.
We need to get another one.
That would have been a fun go.
Yep. Can you get it started? That's what he hit right there. His bike went all the way over here. This is where his bike landed. Crazy. You alright? Think you broke your wrist? Huh? Is it swelling up? Are you in pain?
Yeah, I can't push it. My wrist.
Okay.
I can't push it.
Okay. You squeeze it?
I can't even get my helmet off.
Okay.
I can squeeze it.
Right there. Go like this. Is it? Is it bad? Where? Turn it. Yeah. Let's keep an eye on it.
And right here too, where my thumb is.
Yeah. You probably bruised it a little bit. Alright, we just got back and what happened?
Crashed.
He crashed. He crashed pretty good. He says his tailbone hurts and his wrist. I'll just keep an eye on it, see if he's okay. But yeah, he biffed it pretty good. He was behind me. I didn't know he went down. But
I wasn't behind you. I was kind of behind them.
oh, you were behind. Well, I guess
I wasn't behind anyone.
Okay.
Really. I saw them go down that one trail, and I'm like, okay. And then they were coming back from a different way. That's why I was like, okay, I'll see what's over here. And I went down it. And I'm like, oh, look at that jump. It was like going up. And I was going slow a bit, and then it's hard. I don't know.
Doesn't matter. He biffed it. That's all that matters.
I throttled it. I Superman, and then when the back tire landed, I landed on the back of my fender, and then I throttled it even more. So my bike launched like how many, like 10 feet.
Yeah.
It
was more than that. It was like 20 foot.
It was like 20 feet away from the the jump.
Right.
So
he didn't have the GoPro on him. I had just taken it off him and put it on me, and that's what happens. We need 2 GoPros. We just got to get another one. That's all there is to it. But he managed to twist his handlebars. He moved this thing. This thing needs to be adjusted, and he put some nice scuff marks in it. But yeah. That's part of dirt bike riding, I guess, right? Yeah. Good times, man. Good times. All right, let's pack it up and get out of here, and let's go cook some barbecue.